Hello everyone, you're on VM24.com YouTube channel, name is Vadim, and today we will talk about repair and more specifically how to identify the non-obvious cause of cable damage using the Samsung Galaxy A03 Core smartphone as an example. In our case, a malfunction led to an ability to charge the device. I think it is an important topic and I hope you enjoy hearing it. This video is made in a slideshow format to focus only on important points. So, let's start. Today, a fairly new smartphone Samsung Galaxy A03 Core came to us for repair with a problem. There is no reaction to the charger while the charging connector looks undamaged. After disassembly, we carefully examine the subboard for malfunction. Visually, everything is in order. There are no mechanical damage or traces of liquid penetration. Let's pay attention to the subboard connector where the interboard cable is inserted. It can be seen that the contacts plus and minus go on opposite sides of the connector metal brackets. In our opinion, the poor design of this model, the weak point and the most common problem is related to the loss of charging on this smartphone. Even if dropped from a small height or the cause is bent, these metal brackets have the potential to cause damage to the contacts such as bending or breaking. But now everything is fine here. We inspect the cable connector as it is also made quite unreliably. The side contacts may lose its connection due to its design. We examine some parts under the microscope. Everything is in order. Looking further. The same situation with connectors on the motherboard are held with the brackets. We check from the both sides too. Everything is in order. Inspect the flat cable connector. It can be seen that the side contacts on the cable is broken, so here it is. It is our reason this phone won't charge. We remove the upper layer of the flat cable near the broken contacts with a scalpel for strong fixation. We apply some soldering flux paste and solder the contact with the three sides. We assemble the smartphone back and check it out. The smartphone Galaxy A03 is charging, job is done well.
Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel or read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself and until next video.